Good day and welcome to this virtual tour of a stunning super luxury apartment located in the prestigious GK area of South Delhi. Spanning over 1000 square yards, this fully furnished 4 bedrooms apartment offers a lavish and comfortable living experience. In this tour, I will take you through each corner of this beautiful apartment, highlighting its unique features and unparalleled luxury. So sit back, relax, and get ready to experience the ultimate in upscale living. As you step into the apartment, you're greeted by a wide and a spacious foyer that sets the tone for the luxurious living space that lies ahead. The foyer leads seamlessly into the stunning living room, which boasts of grand interiors and opulent furnishings. This living room is designed to impress, with its elegant decor, large stucco windows that flood the room with natural light, the plush sofas, designer dining table, and intricate chandeliers create a sense of grandeur, while the carefully curated artwork and accent pieces add a touch of sophistication to the space. The living room is truly the heart of an apartment where you can relax, entertain guests, and enjoy the finer things in life. Curtains are by decor and the house is fully loaded with top-of-the-line furniture from Racconti, a unit of Jindal Group. It is a fully automated house with every aspect of the home controlled by a tablet. With just a few taps, you can adjust the lighting, temperature, music, and even the curtains. The advanced home automation systems allow you to customize every aspect of your home to suit your mood and preferences. Living in this apartment is not just about luxury, but it's also about experiencing the future of modern living. The kitchen in this super luxury apartment is a work of art in itself. Designed to perfection, it features the latest inbuilt appliances by Asko, the premium section of Hafelle. The cabinetry is custom built and features automated soft close drawers and drawers, adding to the overall luxury experience. The all-white interiors of this kitchen creates a sense of spaciousness and sophistication, while the sleek and modern design adds a touch of elegance. The kitchen is equipped with everything you need to prepare gourmet meals, from state-of-the-art oven and cooktop to a fully integrated dishwasher and refrigerator. With the advanced automation solutions, you can easily control many aspects of the kitchen with just a few taps on your tablet or smartphone. Cooking in this kitchen is not just a chore, but an experience to be savored. Welcome to the first bedroom of this stunning super luxury apartment. The bedroom is fully furnished with a best-in-class furniture designed to provide maximum comfort and style. From the plush king-size bed with a luxurious mattresses by Sleepwell Spine Tech to the luxurious nightstands and elegant dresses, every detail has been carefully considered to create a luxurious living space. This is the luxury bathroom attached with the first bedroom. This bathroom boasts of a high-end vanity designed to add a touch of elegance to the space. The vanity is accompanied by a sleek and a modern mirror with ambient lighting, creating a relaxing and inviting atmosphere. All the wardrobe and bathroom glass in this bathroom are designed by Sapna Kitchen, the leading name in luxury interiors. This beautiful powder room features a unique shaped mirror that serves as a focal point of the space. The mirror's elegant design adds a touch of sophistication and glamour to the bathroom. As you step into this second bedroom, you'll be welcomed by fully done up interiors and elegant furniture pieces, carefully selected to complement the color scheme and overall design of this bedroom. From plush bedding to the cozy sitting area, every detail has been meticulously thought out to create a space that is both stylish and comfortable. Step into this stylish bathroom and you'll be greeted by the soothing and calming ambience created by the beautiful beige color stone cladding that adorns the walls. The awesome vanity, complete with modern fixtures and ample storage, provides a sleek and streamlined look, while the walk-in closet adds an extra touch of convenience and organization to the space. Moving forward, let's enter the fully loaded family lounge that is sure to impress. With motorized recliners and a spacious layout designed for family TV watching, this lounge is the ultimate entertainment zone for the whole family. The comfortable and cozy seating, coupled with the high-end audio-visual equipment, creates an immersive cinematic experience that will leave you feeling like you're in the middle of action. Whether you're hosting a movie night or simply relaxing after a long day, this fully loaded family lounge is the perfect retreat for unwinding and spending quality time with your loved ones. Welcome to the third bedroom of this stunning apartment, where every inch of space has been carefully designed to provide a luxurious and comfortable living experience. The motorized remote control curtains add an extra touch of convenience and luxury, allowing you to adjust the natural light and privacy in the room with ease. As you step into the attached bathroom, you'll be greeted by a sight that is both practical and stylish. The walk-in closet, located conveniently within the bathroom, provides ample storage space for your clothes and personal belongings. The bathroom itself is a visual treat with an interesting color scheme that is sure to impress. The clever use of ambient lighting and contrasting color combinations creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. And now we come to the grand finale, the master bedroom of this spectacular apartment. This bedroom is nothing short of a masterpiece, with its spacious layout and high-end furnishings. The complete audio-video experience, including a 75-inch LED TV, ensures that you can enjoy your favorite movies and shows in style and comfort. This bedroom is truly a dream come true for those seeking the ultimate in comfort and luxury. With its impressive size and opulent decor, it is a testament to the unparalleled living experience that this apartment provides. As someone who has covered more than 100 property video tours in South Delhi, I can confidently say that this walk-in closet is the ultimate in terms of size and luxury. From the moment you step inside, you'll be amazed at the sheer amount of space available to you. The closet has been designed to provide ample storage space for all your clothes, shoes and accessories while maintaining a sleek and stylish look. Guys, if you thought the master bedroom was impressive, wait until you see the master bathroom. This space takes luxury to the next level, with its calming and sophisticated interiors that are designed to make you feel relaxed and pampered. The bathroom features separate his and her basins, ensuring that there's enough space for everyone. The beautiful freestanding bathtub is the centerpiece of the room, inviting you to soak and unwind after a long day. The trending ceiling fan provides a gentle breeze, keeping you cool and comfortable. The exclusive and imported glass doors add a touch of elegance to the space, making it feel like you're in your own private oasis. With its thoughtfully designed layout and premium finishes, this master bathroom is sure to take your breath away. Spanning an impressive 1000 square yards, this apartment is open from all sides. The front balcony is incredibly spacious, providing a perfect place to relax. I hope you've enjoyed this property video tour. Just call South Delhi Floors for site visit and pricing queries.